REIGNS is an indie game where you play as a king, ruling by swiping through choices. You must balance the church, the people, the army, and the treasury to survive challenges while shaping your dynasty's fate. In this game, there are 4 types of resources: the church, the people, the army, and the treasury. Each decision you make as king will affect these resources, and keeping them balanced is the key to surviving a long reign. Today, we have Grok and Claude AI competing to recreate a similar game. Both will have exactly 10 minutes to complete the task. In the end, we will determine which one creates the better version of this game. This game will be judged on 4 criteria: visuals and art style. All cards and graphics in-game must be generated entirely within the code. Game mechanics, the resource management system and in-game events must be diverse. Content library, the goal is to have about 60 to 100 in-game events. Lastly, technical requirements, it must run on GitHub pages for both PC and mobile, and the entire structure must be contained in a single file. First, we will use Grok with the Thinking 4.20 model, which is currently in beta. I already have the prompt with all the criteria ready. Let's use it and start the timer. What are these 4 icons? Are those 4 different models? Oh, it looks like they are chatting with each other. After a while, they started generating the code. I think it's done. Let's copy the code. Paste it in. I think because I copied the whole response, it included all the conversational text as well. Let's delete the unnecessary lines. Time to test it out. The graphics are actually quite good. But why isn't it working as expected? And why is this line appearing here? Oh no, I think I know why it's not working. Oh my. Now, let's try to fix it. Copy the console log. Paste it in, and here we go again. It's thinking again. We have 3 minutes left. Testing it again with the new code. After the fix, it worked perfectly. But the font is not very readable. Let's ask it to change the font now. The font is much better to read now. I will play for a while. Only 6 years? I'm so bad at playing games. The timer is out. The game is quite complete now, for only 10 minutes. This is very impressive. I'll keep playing for a bit longer. After playing for a while, I think this might be my highest record. But before we continue, if you like the video, please consider liking and subscribing. It helps me a lot. Next, we have Claude Sonnet 4.6 with extended thinking mode. using the same prompt as before. Off we go. And restart the timer. I think it will take quite a long time to think.
A few inches later.
It might be broken or something. The network is fine, but it's not responding. Four minutes left, and it still hasn't finished responding.
Much later.
Still not done yet.
5 minutes later.
Attempt 8 out of 10. Uncooked. The timer is out.
2,000 years later.
It's now the next morning. I waited for so long that I eventually went to sleep. Let's copy this code and test it out. The graphics are so good, man. The characters are well made too, but how do I play this? There are no pop-up alerts showing which resources increase or decrease, and the cards don't actually swipe. The moment I decide on a choice, the resource alert pops up. Let's play for a while. Well, 27 years for the first try is quite good. Summary, Grok did very well, and both games are quite similar in terms of gameplay. But because Claude AI has better graphics, I'll give Claude 9 points and Grok 8.5 points. About the content library, Grok has 42 events, Claude AI has 80 normal events and 5 special events. So, in the end, Claude wins this video. I will end the video here. What is your record playing these two games? Leave it in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Bye.